In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or show elements on a button click in Webflow. If you've ever wanted to create a more interactive and engaging web experience for your visitors, this is a simple yet effective way to get started. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the know-how to manipulate elements on your web page using Webflow's powerful interactions panel, all without writing a single line of code. To kick things off, open your Webflow project where you want to implement this interaction. Start by selecting the button that you want to use as your trigger to show or hide an element. Clicking on this button will later initiate the action of either hiding or showing another element on your page. With the button selected, navigate to the Interactions panel, which typically resides on the right side of your screen. In the Interactions panel, you'll want to click on the Element Triggers icon and look for the Mouse Click Tap option. This will allow us to set up an interaction that occurs when this button is clicked by a user. Once you've clicked on Mouse Click Tap, you'll see options to start building the interaction. Here you'll want to focus on creating a new interaction tied to this specific mouse click event. When prompted, choose the option to start an animation, as this is where we will define what happens visually when the button is clicked. Click on New Timed Animation to continue. Now you'll want to specify what reaction should happen on the click. For example, if you want to hide an element when the button is clicked, select the element and set its initial state to be visible. Then in your animation timeline, create a new step that changes the element's display setting to hidden. Conversely, if the element is initially hidden and you want it to appear upon clicking the button, you'll modify the steps accordingly. Set the initial state to hidden and the animation step to make it visible. A neat trick here is to toggle the action between hiding and showing. To achieve this, set up a second animation that reverses the first. This could mean creating a second click interaction where the initially hidden element becomes visible or the visible element becomes hidden. Simply follow these steps for each interaction you need. When you're satisfied with how the interaction behaves, you can preview your web page to see the toggle action in live mode. If everything functions as expected, you'll have successfully set up a dynamic button interaction on your web page. And there you have it. By using Webflow's Interactions panel, you have enabled a button-triggered element display toggle, enhancing your site's interactivity. Experiment with different elements and triggers to further enrich your user experience. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.